Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this time I'm taking you to a beautiful place in south of England which is called the Seven Sisters. These are series of 7 white chalk cliffs along the English Channel in Southdown National Park. And this area is designated unprotected as a heritage coast and is Britain's finest example of unprotected chalk cliffs. So stay tuned to this video as I'm going to cover all the details of how to reach this place and make most of it. Well, the best way to experience the Sister Cliffs is by walking along the coastal trail from Seaford to Eastbourne. But that distance is around 22.5 kilometers, which is 14 miles. And actually, the walk is easy, but it's beautiful and it's quite a long. So yeah, stay tuned and let's cover as different aspects of how to enjoy this place. How to reach this place? So this place actually can be done as a day trip from London and places around. We went from Reading and took a train which took us to Eastbourne station via Gatwick Airport. So our journey was Reading to Gatwick Airport to Eastbourne station. I'll recommend check the Trainline app for any train bookings. Also, I would like to say a word of caution here that don't get confused with another Seven Sisters place in London, because if you usually check it will show, so just see the location. It should be down south near the English Channel, the place which you are exploring, the Seven Sisters, and then nearest station could be Seaford, Brighton or Eastbourne. And the return ticket with rail card for us was £30 per person. From Eastbourne station, which we reached, you can take a bus which is Coaster 13X, which will drop you to the stop. Different stops are present there from where you can start walking and explore the Seven Sisters Cliff. However, if you want to go to the closest stop, Burling Gap is the best stop to get down. The return bus ticket price is around £7.5. It is so unbelievable that this place was actually joined with Europe, and later on when the English Channel came and then this gap got created. It's just surreal, and you can keep on walking till the 7th cliff. You can see in the video here, and while coming back to Eastbourne station, we just got down 2 stops before. I think it was BG Head, and we just went up the hill to again see a beautiful lighthouse and the sunset. This was actually a little dangerous. There were some signs that please do not go close to the cliff, because sometimes it falls down as well. But there were signs wherever it was dangerous, so just look out for those signs and boards and be cautious while going close to any of the cliffs. The cafe at Burling Gap had the most amazing pastry ever. I've been to Cornwall, to Bristol, but I have never tasted such a yummy pasty, Cornish pasty, which was, I think, the cauliflower curry pasty. Do try it, because that is the one in vegetarian option which is present. There are also toilets available at the National Trust shop, close to the cafe. You can also buy souvenirs from the National Trust shop, which is one of the favorite place to visit whenever I go to some place, because they have some organic honey, jams, and different kind of chocolates which you can try. It's a must visit place in my perspective. And let me know in comment section if you have already visited Seven Sister or you're planning to. And thank you for watching this video, and do like, share and subscribe, because I will be sharing more day trip places now on this channel. Thank you.